welcome back to the continuation of the compound interest chapter. So in our last class what we did was we used these formulas, that was number 1 and number 2, finding simple interest and the amount, and with the help of that finding the compound interest. So in today's video what we are going to do is we are going to learn some other formula, that is finding the rate, finding the principal and finding the time. So let's get started. So let's do this sum. The sum is the simple interest on a sum of money for 2 years at 12% per annum is rupees 1380. The sum of money, find the sum of money. The sum of money means the principal, you have to find the P. The compound interest on this sum for 1 year payable half yearly at the same rate. This is another thing which we have to take into notice. We have to find the interest which is being compounded half yearly, means after every 6 months. So what we will do is we can use this formula of finding the P, principal. Okay, so what we will do is we note down whatever is given in the question. P is question mark, you have to find it. Time is given 2 years. After that, rate is given 12% per annum. What else is given? SI is given, that is rupees 1380. So what we will do is, using this formula we will find the sum of the money or the principal. So the formula is P equals to SI into 100 by R into T. P equals to SI is 1380 into 100 divided by the rate, that is 12% per annum, into the time, that is 2 years. So we will cancel it. 12 answer is 12, remaining is 180, 12 15 is 180, 250 is this becomes 115 into 50. So this means 115 into 50. So my answer is 5750 rupees. So this way we are going to find the principal. So this is the sum of money. Now the second part of the question is asking us to find the compound interest on this sum of money. So we have to find the compound interest on this amount. So now my P, we know my P is 5750. So I have to find the SI. I have to find the SI. My principal is 5750. So we know the formula P into R into T by 100. My P is 5750. The rate is already given, 12 years. In time, the question is saying you have to be careful. Compound interest is being calculated half yearly. So not 1 year, this will be half year, 1 by 2. P into R into T by 100, this 2 is half, okay. So 0 gets cancelled, 2 6 are 12 and 1 decimal point out here, so 57.5 into 6, okay. We multiply this, So 345.0 means 345 rupees. So this is my SI for first 6 months or first 6 months, because the question is asking us that the compound interest is being compounded half yearly. Okay, so this is of the first 6 months. Okay. Now again similarly, now what we will do, we will use the formula of amount, that is amount equals to P plus SI. My P is 5750 plus my interest is 345. So this gives me 6095 rupee. Now we will find the simple interest for the second 6 months. Okay. You have to understand in this question that we won't be finding, the second part of the question is asking us to find compound interest on this amount, that was 5750, for 1 year. So we won't be finding for 2 years, we will be finding for 1 year. Okay. So similarly, now this 6095 rupee becomes my principal for the second half. Okay. Therefore principal for second 6 months is how much? Rupees 6095. Again we will use the formula of SI for second 6 months. That is the second half of the year. Again we will use the same formula, P into R into T by 100. This time my principal is 6095. My rate will remain the same, that is 12%. Time will be half. Okay. So again 2 6 are 12. Okay, and 100 divides this thing, so 2 decimal places, 60.95 into 6. So we will do the calculation out here. 6095 multiplied by 6, 30, and 6 are 45, 48, 4, 6, 6 are 36. So 2 decimal places. 9 6 are okay. Plus 6 are 30, and 6 are 54, 57. So this becomes 365.70 rupees. So this is my simple interest for the second 6 months of 1 year. Okay. So the sum of money, the compound interest on this sum for 1 year, payable half yearly. So my CI, total CI will become, we'll add the CI SI for first 6 months and second 6 months. So 345 plus 365.70. So 365.70 and 345, 70, 10. So my answer is 710.70 rupees. Okay, so this much for today. Thank you so much.